Hello everyone, welcome back to Pankaj Technical World. Today we are going to tackle a common issue faced by Arduino users when your Arduino just won't connect to your computer, leaving you stuck wondering what's going wrong. You have checked all the connections, tried different USB ports, even reinstalled the Arduino IDE and the drivers, but your board still isn't being detected. This issue is more common with the clone Arduino boards that use third-party USB to serial chips like the CH340. The main reason for this problem is that your system doesn't recognize the USB to serial converter chip on your Arduino. Sometimes this issue can be fixed by simply installing the CH340 driver. I have linked a video in the description of it. But if the problem persists, no worries. Let's move forward with another solution using the CP2102 module. To resolve this, you need a CP2102 USB to serial converter module, which allows your computer to communicate correctly with your Arduino. This module is particularly useful for boards that are not recognized by standard USB drivers. Once you have the CP2102 module, here is what you need to do. Plug the CP2102 module into your PC. Now open Device Manager. If you see a yellow exclamation mark on the CP2102 device under Other Devices, it means the driver isn't installed yet. Now restart your system. The driver will automatically install by the Windows operating system. After restarting the system, open Device Manager. You will see a CP2102 device. If you see again the exclamation mark, to fix this, you need to install the specific driver for the CP2102 module. Now open any browser, search for CP2102 driver. And open the Silicon Labs website. Note, open the Silicon Labs website. Scroll down to the download section and click on CP2102 Universal Window Driver. After downloading, go to your Downloads folder and unzip the file. Go back to Device Manager. Find the CP2102 device, right click on it and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers, then select the unzipped driver folder. And hit Next. The driver will install, and once complete, you will see the CP2102 device installed correctly and there is no exclamation mark on it. Now the device is ready to work. Let's move on to the wiring. Now you have your Arduino board and the CP2102 module. Connect the 5V pin from the Arduino to your CP2102 module. Now connect the ground pin of the Arduino to the CP2102 module ground pin. Connect the RX pin of your Arduino to the TX pin of your CP2102 module. And last, connect the TX pin of your Arduino to the RX pin of the module. Note that the TX pin of the device must have to connect to the RX pin of the other device because TX is transmitter and RX is receiver. So RX, which is receiver, should be connected to the transmitter, which is TX. I will display a reference circuit on the screen to help you with the connections. Once the wiring is done, plug the CP2102 module into a PC and let's run the final steps. Open the Arduino IDE. Now select the board and port from the Arduino IDE. If the port still isn't detected, restart your PC and double check the RX and TX connections correctly. Now you can see the ports are available here. Select the correct port and board. Write a simple blink code. After you have done the coding, now tap on the upload button. Now you can see the compilation of the code is done successfully, but still the uploading is pending. This is why you should have to press the reset button on your Arduino board. Note that before uploading, press the reset button on your Arduino board. It will reset the programmer of your Arduino board. If you encounter an access denied error, simply disconnect and reconnect the CP2102 module and then repeat the upload process again. And that's it. Your Arduino should now connect and work seamlessly using the CP2102 module. If you run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Pankaj Technical World for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.